Hey, Science for Fun fans! Ever wondered about the tiny world of bacteria? Some are our friends, and some are our foes. Today we're diving into the story of one specific bacterium, Streptococcus pyogenes, a complex character with a talent for causing trouble. S. pyogenes is a gram-positive coccus. That means it's a bacterium that stains purple with a gram stain and grows in chains. It is also a Lancefield group A. When grown on a blood agar plate, it forms grayish colonies and breaks down red blood cells, creating a clear zone known as beta hemolysis. So, where does this bacterium hang out? S. pyogenes can live in the human throat and on the skin. It can also be found in the environment, including soil. How does it spread? S. pyogenes is a master of transmission. It can spread through respiratory droplets when someone coughs or sneezes. It can also spread through contaminated objects like poorly cleaned utensils, glasses, or by sharing drinks. Remember, it can even be lurking in the soil, which is why promptly cleaning wounds is essential. So, how do we know if S. pyogenes is the culprit? Doctors can take samples like a throat swab, wound swab, or sometimes a blood sample and send them to the lab. Medical scientists will investigate and identify the bacteria and determine its antibiotic susceptibility. Differentiating strep. Pyogenes from other streps relies on several tests. S. pyogenes is catalase negative, meaning it does not produce the enzyme catalase. It is also positive for the PYR test, pyrrolidinal aminopeptidase, and it is typically sensitive to bacitracin, an antibiotic. Definitive identification is often achieved using a technique called MALDI-TOF-MS, matrix-assisted laser desorption ionization time-of-flight mass spectrometry. Now the good news is that S. pyogenes is usually susceptible to several classes of antibiotics. These include penicillins, cephalosporins, macrolides, and clindamycin. However, it is absolutely crucial to consult with a medical professional for diagnosis and treatment. Don't self-medicate. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for diagnosis, treatment, and any health concerns. Do not attempt to self-diagnose or self-treat. This information is not a substitute for professional medical guidance. Thanks for watching Science for Fun HKMT. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting explorations into the world of microbiology.